In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the number of staff required on your schedule. Here we have our February schedule, and we're going to need eight employees to carry out our tasks. So we go run schedule, and there you have it. It's 3 shifts, and so that works fine for February. But you know, March is a little more a busy month, so we're going to need. Let's drag down, let's say we're going to need, so let's change it to March. And so now let's run the schedule for 12 employees. And it works perfect. Now, let me show you the code. It's this very simple idea. It's working on the last line in column A. My code has a very simple idea. I've declared R as row, and I'm doing now, I've declared last row, and so active cell is looking in the first column and is going from the end up. So it's whatever the last employee number that I have there is going to be the last row. And I have this sheet set up so I can have, there's a five line rotation. And so I have from 5 until 40 lines, and then I have from 6 until 41, and so on. So I have it all set up so you can add as many employees as you could possibly ever need. And it's just going to run the code until it gets to the last row. And so that's how, by changing the number of staff there, we can change our schedule. I will, of course, include all this code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.